Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I'll be sharing with you guys very important updates. Yes, if you've been seeing this popping up in your Photoshop software, yeah, probably maybe the cause is actually because your internet is actually turned on. Yeah, I'll be showing you how you can stop that and you can actually use your Photoshop for free. Yeah, your cracked Photoshop version. This is because you've not been able to purchase the Photoshop cracked version, the Photoshop licensed version. Yes, so this will actually pop up and tell you the app has been disabled. So it requires that you turn off your data, then you can work smoothly with the um, software. Yeah, but majority of us might have messages from clients, or probably you just want to go quickly to the browser to get one or two resources. So you can, I will be teaching you how you can do that very smoothly, and you have your internet connected and your Photoshop software opened, and you can work on any project very smooth and easy. So, but before we get started, please do well to like and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe most importantly. Click on that notification bell. Yeah, this is the subscription button. Subscribe very quickly. Then we get started. So how you're going to do this is okay. Let me close this. Then on your um, desktop, yeah, click on Windows, Windows R. Yeah, click on the Windows key. So if you click on Windows key, you see this pop out. So when this immediately this pops out, you click on you will actually see this at first. You see this percentage app data percentage. So so you click on wf.msc. Yeah. So immediately you select this, then you could actually type it at first. Yeah, you type it, then you press enter. You click on OK. So after this pops out, so you look by the left hand side of this panel. So you click on outboard rules. Yeah. So you click on outboard rules. See a drop down from here. So you actually need, on the right hand side of the panel, you actually need to create rules. Yeah. So creating new rule, you would click on select program. So if yours might be in import or um, predefined or custom, so just click on program. So you click on program, click on next. Make sure that the blue selection appears. So you click on next. So immediately you click on next, you have to find where your file is, the file extension. Understand? So firstly, I will be dropping a link in the description whereby you will see a sample of what you are meant to do here. But first, meant to go to your browser. Yeah, let's browse and find the image. So first thing you do, because this applies to just window users alone. So if you want me to actually do a video for Mac users, I'll just drop the word Mac on the comment section. I would address that shortly. Yeah, probably my next video. It depends on the amount of traffic I actually see. So if I get up to 30 comments, I would do a video breakdown on Mac, uh, how to go about that on your using your Mac system. Yeah, so you click on the Windows, yeah, then click on programs, program files. Yeah, click on program files. I don't suggest you click on program file x68. Yeah, click on program files only. So then you go straight to Adobe. Then on your Adobe, click on you find the software. So this is the software. So provided it shows extension. So this is the program file extension. So you click on open. Yeah. So when you click on open, click straight to the application. You click on this application here, whereby the icon here shows Photoshop image. Yeah. So you open. So immediately you open. You click on next. Yeah, you click on next. So you select block the net the connection. Yours might be allow connection, so you just click on block the connection. Blocking the connection here actually blocks your Photoshop from accessing the internet on your system. So this helps you to to prevent um, the notification that pops out for unlicensed softwares. So Adobe won't be able to they won't be able to find out that you are using the software for free. So if you connected to the internet, definitely your system will actually interact with their server, so I need to prompt them to shut down your software. So in order to do this, you click on next. So immediately you click on next, make sure that these three um, rules must be applied. Yeah, whether domain, private, or public. Yes. So then you click on next. Make sure they are all checked. Yes. Yours can be like this, so you can click on this, and this. So you click on next, and when you click on next, then you can now give this a name. Yes, you're permitted to give this a name. So a simple name that you can give it is just block Photoshop internet. So you can just give it as block Photoshop internet. So